Today we're going to do one of the sauces that we use in pulori, and it's called tamarind sauce. So we're going to put some water up. We're going to put our tamarind, shelled already, with the seeds inside. Okay, we're going to bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, we're going to whisk it a little bit and then strain it over to use the liquid to start our tamarind sauce. Now that process of straining over is for those who don't want the seed. I don't like the seed. So, but you could continue the process if the seed doesn't bother you. You can continue the sauce process without straining. But today we're going to strain it when we finish pulping the tamarind. Right, so now the tamarind is boiling. We kind of use the whisk, lower the heat a little bit. Right, and we use the whisk to separate the pulp from the seed. I think it's just about ready to strain. We're going to strain it, and then we're going to continue making the sauce. Again, if you don't want to strain it, if the seeds doesn't bother you, you don't have to. But I don't like the seeds, so that's why I'm straining it. Right, now we're going to add brown sugar. 1 cup. 1 whole habanero. Chadon beni, 3 tablespoons. Pimento, 1 tablespoon. Garlic, 2 tablespoons. And onion, 2 tablespoons. One bay leaf. On 1 cinnamon stick. And 1 tablespoon of salt. Of black pepper, sorry. And we add salt to taste. I will lower the heat all the way down. And we allow it to simmer. And when the sauce is finished, we want to leave in the habanero, the bay leaf, and the cinnamon. It's just one of those sauces that tastes better the next day. You know, we have sauces like that kind of taste better the next day. And this sauce in particular is one. Right, so we're just going to leave for about 10 minutes to kind of simmer. And if you wish, you could use it one time, or we bottle it and use it for the next day.